video opens with a super energetic and friendly host, surrounded by colorful, popping graphics. Hey word adventurers, welcome back to Kids World. In our last video, we uncovered the secret world of homonyms, words that look and sound the same, but have twin meanings. It was mind-blowing, right? Well, get ready, because today we're diving into their super sneaky cousins, homophones. So, what are homophones? Imagine words that are secret agents. They sound exactly the same, but they have different spellings and totally different meanings. It's like they're wearing a disguise. Let's crack the code on some of the most common ones. First up, we have there, and there. They all sound identical, but watch this. Look over there. I point to a place. That is their awesome treehouse. It belongs to them, and they're playing inside. They are playing. See? 3 words, 3 different jobs. Next, let's meet two, and two. I am going to the park. That's a direction. I want to come too. That means also. Can we bring 2 balls? That's the number 2. It's easy once you see them in action. How about see and see? I can see the beautiful blue sea. The first one is what you do with your eyes, and the second one is a giant ocean. It's amazing how one sound can paint 2 completely different pictures in your mind. Now for a classic pair, sun and sun. The sun is a giant star that keeps us warm. But a son is a boy in a family. You wouldn't say my son is playing outside unless you're talking about a giant ball of fire. That would be silly. Okay, get ready for a quiz. I'm going to say a sentence, and you shout out which spelling is the right one. Ready? I ate the whole pizza. Is it W-H-O-L-E or H-O-L-E? You got it. It's W-H-O-L-E, meaning the entire thing. The H-O-L-E is an empty space. You guys are getting so good at this. Learning homophones makes you an expert reader and a fantastic writer. You'll start noticing them everywhere, from your favorite storybooks to conversations with friends. It's like having a superpower that helps you understand English even better. You are all official word detectives now. Wasn't that fun? If you want to continue our amazing word adventures and unlock even more secrets of the English language, make sure you hit that subscribe button for Kids World and ring the notification bell. We have so much more to explore together. Thanks for watching, and see you next time, Word Wizards.